Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to pass NCLEX in 85 questions, easy method. Begin by organizing study into focused blocks on high-yield topics and common question formats. Train to spot keywords that indicate priority interventions and to eliminate wrong options quickly. Practice mixed tutor-style quizzes to build endurance and pattern recognition. Review rationales thoroughly and simulate timed exams to refine pacing, confidence, and clinical judgment before test day. Start each question by reading the stem slowly, noting age, diagnosis, and vital details to guide your thinking. Use ABCs and safety cues to rank options quickly, then eliminate clearly irrelevant choices. When two answers seem right, pick the one that prioritizes safety or immediate assessment. Build this habit through daily timed sets and focused review of rationales to turn knowledge into dependable test instincts. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical NCLEX tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes studying on breaks effortless with crisp text and waterproof design, so you can read review guides anywhere. It's a small tool that keeps content handy and reduces screen strain. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Design a study schedule that balances focused daily practice with full-time simulations to build stamina. Select a reliable question bank that mirrors NCLEX wording and review every rationale until concepts stick. Log errors and patterns to target weak topics with mini review sessions rather than broad restudy. Rest, nutrition, and short active breaks will keep focus sharp, so you show up calm and ready on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.